Oh, I hope you know I will carry you home, whether it's tonight or 55 years down the road. Oh, I know there's so many ways this could go. Don't want you to wonder, darling, I need you to know. We were talking to the sunset, throwing dreams against the wall. I know none of them are stuck yet, but I bet it on you, honey. Oh, I would risk it all. These days, these nights, I'm changing.
Because she's here with us. We know that. This was Mama's. It was the very first piece of jewelry that Papa gave her. I wore it at my wedding, and now you're gonna wear it at yours.
Choose us every time.
They have heard me say many times what this is about. And the reason it's public is so that all of you are as witnesses to this joining of these two will be here to support them. Amen? Amen. Do we have some rings?
Yes.
All right. Again, who wants to go first? You're going first. All right.
Okay. Damian, with this ring, I make you my husband, to have and to hold, through sickness and through health, till death alone part us.
So yeah, with this ring, I make you my wife, to have and to hold, through sickness and health, till death alone parts us.
Amy, you may kiss your wife. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to be the first to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Height.
The new Gabrielle and Damian Height. And Gabrielle and Damian are going to have their first dance as husband and wife. Let's hear it.
Baby, last night was hands down one of the best nights that I've had, no doubt. Between the bottle of wine and the look in your eyes and the Marvin.
And I'm so grateful to have somebody in my life that held me when I cried, helped me laugh when I needed it the most, and always picked me up when I had a lot of troubles. To this amazing couple and celebrate to the new beginning of this amazing love story they already started.
If I never get to see the northern lights, or if I never.
She has been an amazing little sister. And I couldn't ask for a better one. You have shown me, and I cannot be more proud of you in this moment for becoming a mother and becoming a wife.
You have been my brother for over a decade, and no matter what happens, I'm going to be by your side. But aside from that, she's going to be by your side more than anybody else, especially after today. Don't take that for granted.
Makes it hard to breathe.
I wish you guys the absolute best. I can see how happy you make her. I can see how happy you are. Proud of you for everything that you've done, everything that you're going to do. And I'm proud of the both of you for taking this big step forward. I love you.
That all I need in this life is your crazy love.
we are going to have a boy. But
Get to see the Eiffel Tower at night. With all I got is your hand in my hand, baby, I could die a happy man, yeah. I don't need no vacation, no fancy destination, baby, you're my great escape. We can stay at home, listen to the radio, dance around the fireplace. If I never get to build my mansion in Georgia, drive a sports car up the coast of California. Oh, if all I got is your hand in my hand, baby, I could die a happy man. Baby, I could die a happy man. Oh, I could die a happy man. You know I could, girl. I could die